Welcome to Daily Trade Journal YouTube channel. In this channel, I decided to upload uncut episodes of daily trading, documentary of uncut episode about trading. After the months, years of losing trade, frustration, losing hundreds and thousands of dollars in trade by doing mistakes, I learned lots of things, which I'm going to share you in upcoming episode. I will not cover in this video. This is introduction video. In this YouTube channel too, I will cover in upcoming series about the market trend, market structure, supply and demand, fair and value gap, time frame, risk reward ratio, liquidity swap, protect capital, stop loss, support and resistance, area of interest, all the candlesticks pattern and chart pattern I will cover step by step. And I will not upload in this channel like video kinds filtered video. I will not fake you. I will upload the uncut episodes where now losing hundreds and thousands of dollar, getting frustration, doing struggle years in trading. I decided to start my trading journey with $12, just $12, right? And I will also decided to document all the episodes with this capital, this trade. So hope you guys will support me and hope you guys also I will share my knowledge, my wisdom, whatever I learned from the trade. And if you I hope this channel will really help you to grow in your trading journey. So my commitment is in this channel, if we got 100K subscriber in this channel, I will also reveal my face. Now I will record or upload video without face because I want to reveal my face with 100K subscriber. So if you are not yet subscribed in this channel, please do subscribe Daily Journal Trade YouTube channel. I will upload uncut episode in this channel. So thank you everyone. Please, God bless you. Keep supporting me. God bless you there. Start your journaling trade or start your trade right here, right now with me. Thank you everyone. See you in the next episode.